Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast not soggy. To start, create a rich batter using 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and a tablespoon of sugar. For an extra crispy texture, consider adding 1 tablespoon of flour or cornstarch to your mixture. Whisk everything thoroughly until smooth, ensuring there are no lumps. This foundational step is crucial for preventing a soggy outcome. The type of bread you choose is vital for non-soggy French toast. Opt for stale, thick-cut bread, such as brioche or challah, ideally about 3/4 of an inch thick. Stale bread absorbs less liquid, preventing it from becoming waterlogged. When dipping, immerse each slice for a brief 10 to 15 seconds per side. This quick dip ensures the bread is coated without becoming overly saturated. Achieving a crispy exterior requires the right cooking method. Preheat your griddle or pan to a consistent medium heat, ideally around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a small amount of butter or a neutral oil to prevent sticking and promote even browning. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until it reaches a beautiful golden brown and feels firm to the touch. This ensures the inside is cooked through without being mushy. To truly enjoy non-soggy French toast, serving it immediately is key. As soon as a slice is cooked to perfection, transfer it directly to a plate. Avoid stacking slices, as the trapped steam will quickly lead to sogginess. If you're preparing a larger batch, keep the cooked pieces warm on a wire rack in an oven set to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This method preserves their delightful crispness until ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.